backup XP while PC is running. We need to make sure that we're using version 1.63 of this 2BHD for XP. And we're planning to use it for Windows 7 and above. We go ahead and get it from Microsoft website. The link is provided on the video, or you can search for it on the web. The purpose of this video is so we can back up a machine that's running XP live without shutting the computer down and then booting to the BIOS in order to back up the computer. We can use this program called this2BHD that lets us run a backup while the computer is running, especially for XP